Hi, Regina here. I want to introduce my MBA Online education, Business Through Change. It is really strange times. The market changes really fast and it's really tough to be a business leader. So either if you're an employed business leader or if you run your own business, this is definitely something for you. I have a master degree in business with in-depth in leadership and finance, and I've been working 20 years with this, both within audit and also the tax agency in Sweden, and also been part owner of a family business. And the past 7 years I've been working as the short-term interim assignments at different companies within finance here in Stockholm. So I have met many different branches and different companies, and I have a lot of experience that I have kind of picked the best parts from companies and put it as recommendation for you. MBA Online pre-recorded versions, so you can read and study on repeat when it suits you. It's a really brilliant idea. I recommend to do it on the desktop or your computer to really be able to download templates so you can practice and you can use the templates in your business. But it's also, you can use it as an app. It's the Kajabi app on your smartphone, so you can repeat and listen and repeat, because repetition makes you even better and more skilled. It is in depth about leadership, since it's you who will create the culture and also is responsible for the behavior internally at the company. You build the culture. It's also overview about marketing, and that is the communication externally. So that is also, of course, very important, how you tailor-made that for your company. Some finance overview, since it is really something that is important, and I have done it in a very easy way for you. I have met many, especially engineers, say on leadership positions. They say, "What do I need to be a finance person to do this job nowadays?" So it is much finance required to be a manager today. So that's why I've created these online educations, since I've seen the need of this, and also in this tough times when you need to adapt, make adjustments. You really need to create a culture that is fast on making adjustments and to adapt to new circumstances. That is so important, and that is why it's so important you build a culture where the people within the company can feel safe and feel that they are taken care of, and that they have a strong company, that's a solid company that can cope with changes. It's so important now more than ever. So check out my website about these running business through change, my MBA education online. So see you there. Bye.